Hello and welcome to the Natural Skincare School YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you a very effective way for making your own aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice, making aloe vera juice is a very complicated process that takes a lot of time. Now in this video I'll show you how to make your own aloe vera juice from the extract, the powder extract. This is so simple. If you are formulating your home product and you need aloe vera juice, you might as well use this to save yourself some bucks. So mainly we're going to add some amount of the concentrate to distilled water. Then we're going to add a preservative to it, and that's it. That's the easiest way to make your aloe. So just watch me as I make the aloe vera juice. So I'm going to measure. I'm going to measure the extract to use. Then we're going to measure the distilled water. The formulas for this recipe and other great recipe, the formula for these project and other great projects that will help you in formulating great and stable skincare product is available at naturalskincareschool.com. This is exciting in that you don't have to really waste too much money buying aloe vera juice when you can make it from the powder concentrate. Then what you'll do is just sprinkle the powder, okay, on top of the distilled water. Do not mix it, okay? This one, you don't want to mix it. Just allow it to settle by itself. Let it settle naturally, okay? Just let it settle by itself. It's going to take some time. Leave it in there for about 20 minutes. Okay, just leave it in there for 20 minutes, and we're going to come back, okay, to this video after it has dissolved. Then we're going to go to the next step. The aloe vera extract has dissolved, as you can see. Like I told you a few moments ago, that you add the aloe vera extract to the distilled water and just leave it. Do not mix it, just leave it, allow it to settle. If you give it 20 to 30 minutes, it will have settled, and this is exactly what you're going to get. The liquid you're going to get is not going to be typical crystal clear liquid. It's not going to be like a water, but it's just going to be like aloe vera juice exactly. And trust me, this is the perfect way to make aloe vera, especially if you're going to use it to formulate your product. Now that we have this, the next thing you want to add is to add your preservative. Make sure you use a broad spectrum preservative like Liquid Jama Plus. So we're going to use the preservative. For the recipe I use, that recipe I use for this video, check in the description box below. You add the preservative and mix it very well. One more last thing you may want to check is this, and I think I've taught you severally on this channel how to adjust the pH of your product. So the pH of aloe vera juice should be between 3.8 to 5.0. so make sure the pH falls in between that. So I'm just going to check this quickly to see if that pH is within that range. So the pH I have is 4.8. That's perfect. It's also compatible with our chosen preservative, Liquid Germa Plus, from 3 to 8. So everything is good to go. And this is our aloe vera juice. That's it. You can use this now to make your product. We use 200x concentration of aloe vera extract to make this. So look in the description box, look for the exact the text version of this video. It will help you better relate better with this. I hope this video has helped you. Keep in mind, this aloe vera juice is only for skincare. This is not for drinking. Remember, the concentrate is made for the skin, so not for drinking. This is for skincare. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about making great and stable skincare products, this is a channel for you. So do well by clicking the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new video. So stay tuned. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera gel. We're going to use that in 2 parts. So I will show you how I make aloe vera gel using the powder. Okay, then I'll show you how to make the aloe vera gel using the juice. So stay tuned for that. Click the subscribe button, the notification icon to know when I upload that video. Thanks for watching.